on tracking, keep on researching, and Zimstat, here we have got senior government officials here. Zimstat has got a lot of work because everyone relies on your data. We can contribute our own kind of data, but we know the reliable official data has to come to Zimstat. So on that note, I also want to say the UN, in particular UN Women and the UNDP, are already very much prepared to help Zimstat in terms of working on issues of gender data and indices. UNDP through the GMP, UN Women is already doing a baseline survey so that we try to improve in that particular area. So we are very happy that everything which was being said here is very relevant and it will feed into our Zunda cycle. Oh, the Zimbabwe United Nations Development Assistance Framework. I know the UN, we are so fond of this abbreviation. It's a framework which we support the government of Zimbabwe in terms of its development needs. So I'm saying this is coming at a time when we are crafting the next cycle, which is from 2016 to 2018, I think. We should sort of try to be aligned to Zima assets. So really, to me, this was something which was worth really sitting for and understanding. I just want to also share that we have to take one or two messages which emerged. I think one key message is let us not just look at women or the girl child as vulnerable. Vulnerable in that term, in a very negative term. But to look at issues of women's vulnerability in a positive manner, where we want to turn that negativity of being vulnerable to a positivity of using the women and the girl children and students as agents of transformative change. They were already indicating how we can use them as agents of transformative change. Saying from being poor and thinking that you can't do anything, they try to devise something. So we try to improve them so that we say women are potential agents of what? Development change. And then we try to tone down on the vulnerability. We know we can still use it. It's a development term, marginalized term for various reasons. But to me, it should be used not in a very stereotyping way, which you say, oh, women are marginalized. Women are vulnerable, but to use them to go to another step, but not forgetting that we're clashing if we totally leave out our boy child. On this particular note, because we can go into the lecture form in trying to clarify certain issues, which I think I've already seen with women, certain follow-ups which can be made in terms of support, and especially in terms of more sensitization, understanding gender equality, women empowerment, and also working with our ICT gurus, etc. I think we need to further follow-ups, not necessarily for this particular forum. I just want to thank all of you and say, please come again next time. And to the children, students, well done once again. And I hope to see you. And to you all, thanks so much. I'm told there's lunch outside.